In this video, you will see what are the requirements to create Meta Business Manager. So you will need the following to create a business manager. Number one, you will need a Meta profile. That is your personal profile. So you have to have an account on Meta. Number two, you will need an email address to create a business manager. The email address should preferably be a business email address. And after that, you are going to go to business.facebook.com/overview. The link will be in the description. If you come to this URL, you will come to a page that looks like this, and then you will start to create an account. If you click here, after that Facebook will ask the name of your business and email addresses and so on. And after that, if you click on next, Facebook will send you an email. So go to the email sent by Facebook. It will tell you to click on a blue button. Click on the blue button. You will come back to Facebook Business Manager, and by this time your email address will be verified since you have clicked on the email link. And that's it. This is the requirements to create a business manager, and this is how you create a business manager. It takes literally less than 2 minutes. If you like the video, you can put a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos on Meta and Instagram ad campaigns, subscribe to our channel.